Hey gardeners, welcome back. Let's kick things off with a little inspiration. Today's scripture is from Psalm 104 to 24. O Lord, how manifold are your works! In wisdom you have made them all. The earth is full of your creatures. And here's a positive quote to keep in mind. The garden suggests there might be a place where we can meet nature halfway. Now, let's get into it. No one likes pesky mosquitoes ruining their garden chill time. Good news, you can plant your defense. I'm about to share 10 powerhouse plants that naturally keep those bloodsuckers at bay. Number 1, Citronella. You've probably seen citronella candles, but the plant itself is even better. Its strong lemon scent masks what attracts mosquitoes and keeps them moving along. Number 2, lavender. Not only does it smell amazing and look beautiful, but mosquitoes hate the fragrance. Plant it near windows, doors, or paths where you like to hang out. 3. Marigold. These sunny flowers contain pyrethrum, a compound used in many insect repellents. Plus, they're super easy to grow and add a pop of color. 4. Basil. This isn't just for your pasta sauce. Basil's pungent aroma wards off mosquitoes and flies. Try a pot on your patio table. 5. Lemon balm. It's in the mint family, and its citrusy scent is like kryptonite for mosquitoes. Heads up though, it spreads fast, so use a pot if you don't want it everywhere. 6. Peppermint. Mosquitoes can't stand the menthol in peppermint leaves. Crush a few between your fingers for an instant natural repellent. 7. Rosemary. The woody scent doubles as mosquito armor and a perfect herb for grilling. Multifunctional and fragrant. 8. Catnip. Studies show it's even more effective than DEET in repelling mosquitoes. Bonus, your cats will love it. 9. Geranium. Especially lemon-scented varieties. These lovely flowers release oils that keep pests away and brighten up your garden. And number 10. Sage. Toss a few sprigs on your fire pit. The smoke helps keep mosquitoes out of your evening gatherings. So there you have it. 10 powerful, beautiful plants to protect your garden and yourself, all naturally. If you want a mosquito-free zone, try mixing a few of these around your patio, walkways, and favorite spots. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which plant you'll be adding to your garden. Remember, gardening is all about working with nature, and sometimes nature has the perfect solution. Happy gardening!